friends and family, I'm back. It's Saturday. I'm putting this one out today because it is a run deal. We know Family Dollar and Dollar General put out 5 off 25s. It's a good time to stock up on your household and laundry, soap, back to school, hair care, things of that nature. Now, y'all know my hair ain't done, but I still buy hair care and I still condition and wash it, all of that. So you need to have all of that stockpiled too. A good time is the Saturday with the coupon work, the deals. There's people all over Instagram. If you don't have time to watch a whole long video or do whole long scenarios, get you a quick pen and pencil, jot some of the stuff they're saying down, and work out what you can in the store. And I know it's hard because you go to the store, number one, you get distracted by other stuff. Number two, they'll be out of some of the merchandise in those other scenarios. And they'll be out of the merchandise. Excuse that phone ringing. Every time I get on, it starts to ring, and it does this all day. I'm getting it turned off. It's time to call Comcast because I don't even answer it. But bear with me till it stops. So I did a quick haul, and again, I got distracted in the Family Dollar. But like I say, this is back to school. We need to stock up. If you have kids, teens, the girls, all of that, you need to kind of, have their supplies at least 6 months worth of stock of their personals. Cause I hate when they come on Sunday night talk about they out of deodorant for tomorrow. That never happens in my house, but I'm sure it happens to somebody and it shouldn't be. So stop it. But first thing, paper towels. We can never have too many paper towels. So this was part of a scenario I did. And I will tell you what I spent at the end. Toothpaste, toothbrush, stockpile, 2 packs, 12 toothbrushes, 12 toothbrushes, toothpaste, 1 tube of toothpaste. And all of this stuff had coupons, I think. I gotta look at this receipt because I still think something was missing. So put that off to the side. Game Pods. And this is because this had a coupon too. And this is all app coupon, no paper. Clip all the coupons on the app and do this. 14 pods. That's probably a good month worth. Month or two, depending on how big your family is. Let me find, I'm pulling out. Oh, teens, Neutrogena acne soap. Wash their face morning and night. Good skincare routine for those middle schoolers, high schoolers that needs to, fight against acne. And this is the acne prone skin transparent facial bar. It is also, I think this also has an Ibotta and Fetch rebate, which I will do because I got my other phone here. Yeah, I got my other phone here, so I'll do that and see if it works. But I think it's Ibotta and Fetch. So the clothes smelling all good. This is in the same scent as the pods I bought, I believe. So the little set, make it all smell good. Okay. So that was part of the scenario. Had I bought just that stuff and nothing else, that would have been like $19-20 because of the coupons. But then the distraction happened. The distraction happened. They had clearance. That's why this is a run deal. They had clearance. So, stay to the end because you don't want to miss none. They're at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They are there at Family Dollar. You see that? You see that? You see that? 50 cents. Now these don't need to just go in your kitchen sink. They can go in the door in your bathtub or and you can actually put soap, bars of soaps in here. Or they can go in the cabinet for your sponge that you use to clean the bathroom with. So for 50 cents, I picked up 2. I have 2 bathrooms, 1 for each bathroom. Or your little loofahs and things like that, you can put those on the shower wall with this. This is a kind of prepping supply for me. You might need an extra pair of earbuds when you're traveling or something like that, or you find yourself out and you forgot your, Bluetooths, and you find yourself out and kind of want to listen to something on your phone, or your kids may need to put an extra one of these in the book bag just in case they forget their other headset, because you don't want them sharing headsets in school with all them cooties going around. So this was $1. I grabbed one of these, just throw it in their book bag, remind them it's in there, have it as a backup for back to school. And then you buy them their good pair. Here is another prepping supply. As you can see, I wear eyeglasses. They are always loosening up. So I probably need to watch a YouTube video to figure out how to fix them. But these eyeglass repair kits, look. You see that? 50 cents. Beating the Dollar Tree. And this is a lot of closeout stuff. So a lot of these hair care companies are changing their sizes, changing their their ounces. They're changing their packaging labels. So now their Family Dollar is marking down. They're pulling a lot of old back stock from the shelves and they're marking it down if it's still in date and stuff. And I even saw like Shea Moisture was $5 something there. But now the stuff they got out today is over $10. It's $10.75. So get to your Family Dollar, check their clearance section, because Aunt Jackie's, you see that? $2.50. Aunt Jackie's, and this is the deep moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair. But they had other ones. I just came by the whole shelf and hit me in the head, slapped me aside the head. Look, my battery was dead. I was in there struggling, had to go to the car and charge it. I wasn't prepared. I kind of was prepared with what I was going to buy. Then plans started changing, and then batteries started dying, and it was a mess. But I did it anyway. So I didn't take pictures, but they had other Aunt Jackie products. $2.50. Some was $2. Here's another Aunt Jackie product. You see that? $2.50. And this is coconut cream deep conditioner. So you got your shampoo, your conditioner, $5 for our natural hair girls. And you know those teens get in that bathroom and they use half a bottle in one sitting. So please stock up. And please, you might need to be, putting some regulations on it, but stock up. And you see these bottles ain't that big. And if you got somebody with a lot of hair, they ain't going that far. Dove. I really like these. They used to be couponed a lot back in the day. And why they say reduced, they put the wrong reduced sticker on here. But it was really $2. And let me make sure on my receipt that's what they charged. But it was $2. Now I thought the $1.50 off any Dove product would work for this, but it didn't. So I tried. Again, I was having all kinds of issues. But it really was $2. And they regular run about $5.50. So, and this was the last product I grabbed. They had other kinds of eco style. But you see that? $1.25. So this whole haul was $29 after the $5 off. It was $29.25. Let me cut that off. $29. This glare is killing me. $29.25 because we're in Florida and we have $2 worth of sales tax. So that was pretty good. Again, had I not, it's 16 items. Had I not bought the extras, it wouldn't have been but 19. So you would have had your little laundry detergent, your face soap, your paper towels and things. So the Colgate Extra Clean had a smart coupon. So they were $5.25 each, and it was a $6 off the two. So I bought 12. So basically these came down to like $4.50 for 12 toothbrushes. Name brand. The Scott paper towels were $6, and then they had $1 off. The Gang Fleens were $4.45, and they had $1 off. The Colgate toothpaste, this was $3.15, and it had $1 off. And the Gang Fireworks was $5.50, and it had $1 off, because some of these items are on sale. And the Neutrogena bar was $3.45, but it had $3 off. So I only paid 45 cents for this bar soap. And then the $5 smart coupon came off too. So that would have been all that for 20 bucks. Getting ready for back to school. What do the kids do every day? Hopefully they wash their face. Hopefully they brush their teeth. Hopefully they eat breakfast, get dressed, lotion their legs. So you need all of that kind of stuff. Go through their morning routine and make sure you got enough for at least the first 9 weeks. As all a part of back to school. So they also had clearance clothes in there. So please look around. Maybe your kids need some PJs or some, romp around pants, some gym shorts, things like that. Take a look at the clearance clothes and put 5 off 25 on everybody's phone. And just, hey, work it how you need to work it. But go catch that sale today. If not, it might still be some of the clearance around, because most of these stores are kind of revamping and moving stuff around. So they're going to have lots of clearance from week to week. So start checking them every Saturday with your coupon in hand and start getting your stockpiles together. It's one quick lady that I kind of like on Instagram, Couponing for Beginners. She gives some good scenarios. Actually, I got most of these items from her, even though my store didn't have every item. So, I do thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps somebody. I hope somebody's able to get out and get these hair care products and other clearance items to stock up on. I mean, this will make an amazing barter item in a situation. These will be an amazing barter item in situations. So, I only bought 2 because I only have one person in here that can't see. So, we'll work with our 2. But just keep these items in mind. More preps. Think, and when you're looking at clearance stuff like this for 50 cents, like, yeah, I need that to prep. Yeah, I need to keep 1 or 2 of those in the house. So, keep that on your radar. I am so thankful that you watched this video. If you like what we're doing over here, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for more run deals. And comment so we can chat down below some things you get out of Family Dollar that are prepping items. And like this video for me so it gets pushed out to more people, because the more that are prepared, the better off we are. So I do thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful Saturday and finding those deals. Bye-bye.